This is John. In this video, I'll help you understand how to create and manage tickets in Dovyo CRM. Before going to tickets, there are certain mandates you have to do. For that, move your cursor to the left side nav bar and go to setup. In the setup, you will find tickets section. In tickets section, you will have departments, predefined replies, ticket priority, ticket statuses, service, and spam filters. You can create anything in these sections as per your business requirement. So in tickets department, when you hit on it, you can create for which department the tickets will get assigned. So given all the specifications and hit on save, your department will be created as like this. Also, if you want to create some predefined replies, hit on it, create some predefined replies as like this and hit on save. So your new predefined reply will be added here. Also, if you want to add some priorities as per your business need, hit on create, give some name for the new priority, save it, you will get it listed over here. Similarly, if you want to make new statuses, click on the new ticket status and hit create. It will help you to get the details of it. Once you get it saved, it gets displayed here as like this. Moreover, if you want to create services in the tickets, hit on the services and create a new ticket service. Let it be as like this. Once you given the details, click on save. Your new service will get created and listed up here. Also, there's one more thing called as spam filters. If you feel that you have to block some senders, block some tickets with subject names and with certain phrases, you can create a new spam filters and ensure that it is from the sender or of the subject or of any phrase you want to give. Give the necessary details along with the content. Hit on save. Your new spam filter will be created here. Also, in the setup of settings, there are certain mandatory things you have to do. In this tickets, there's two things like general and ticket form. So based on your business requirement, check on all these things. Whichever you have to opt for yes and whatsoever you have to opt for no. Kindly do some changes in the settings and hit on the save settings. It will get saved. Also, the tickets can be bigoted using this form URL also. The form will look like this. You can fill in the necessary details, and if you want to make attachments related to the new ticket that has been created, you can do it accordingly and submit it. This will be created as a new ticket and get saved in the tickets model up here. After completing the mandates, move your cursor to the left side nav bar to the tickets module for creating a new ticket. Hit on this tickets, it will land you to this page wherein to create a new ticket, do hit the create button and a new ticket page will get displayed. In this, there are two things you can do. You can create a ticket without a contact, and if you feel that there is a contact for a customer to whom a ticket has to be created, hit on this ticket to contact. You will get to find the contact field here. So the subject speaks of the name or the subject portion of the ticket. Tags is that if you want to give any tags for easy identification, you can type in over here. So the contact is that. So to which contact this ticket is being created. And assigned ticket is that this is a portion that your ticket will get assigned defaultly to the current user. Or else if the user feels that it has to be assigned to someone else, you can hit the drop down and select the person to whom this has to be assigned with. Also, if you want to give the priority, you can do the priority. If you want to tag in the service, you can do it here. If you want to make it for the department, you can make it for the department. All these things we have already created in the setup that is getting reflected while we are creating a new ticket. Alright, so fill in all the necessary details. If you want to give any description, you can do it. If you want to add any attachments for this ticket, kindly do add it and hit on save. Once it's been saved, the created tickets will get displayed in the list page of the same. With the basic details here, the created ticket will look like this. In the tickets overview tab, you will get to understand the details that you have given during the creation of the ticket. That is a name, contact, if it was there, it will get reflected here. The email, department, tags, priority as such. So if you want to add any replies here, you can add a reply for this ticket and hit on this add reply. This will get saved in the replies tab. So in the reply tab, you will get to find what are all the replies were being given and in which date and time. So if you want to block this sender, you can also block this sender. And if you want to add any notes for this ticket, yes, you can add notes up here. Also, if you want to put out some reminder, so move your cursor to the right side top corner, you will find a bell icon. Hit on this bell icon such that you will get to give in the details that on which date it has to be notified, set reminder for whom, and the description. If you want to email this reminder, please do check on this and click on save. Once done, the reminder will get listed up here. Also, if you want to make any task for this ticket alone, that is especially for this ticket, you can create a task up here and categorize it. It will get displayed here. Moreover, in the reply also, you can convert these replies to a task itself. You can edit the reply, you can print it. If you want to delete it, yes, you can delete it. If you want to convert this to a task, you can convert this reply into a task too. Also, this speaks of the ticket number, the name of the ticket, that is the subject, for which department this ticket has been created and when it was created, if there were any replies made, when this reply was made. You can also get to understand the status priority of the tickets. If you want to change the status of the ticket based on the progression of it, you can do it from here itself. If you want to change the priority also, you can do it from here itself. So if you feel that you have to make some corrections for the ticket, move your cursor to the top right corner and hit on this 3 dots. You can find edit. When you click on edit, it will give you provisions to make corrections. If not, you feel that this ticket is irrelevant and if you want to delete it, by hitting on this, you can perform the action. That is, you can delete it. Tickets gives you a provision to make search for the created tickets based on these filters. If you want to look into the tickets that is assigned only to you, you can check on this and hit search. It will display all the tickets that is assigned to you. If not, if you want to search the tickets based on the status, based on assigned member, based on the time period, based on branch, you can do it. Also, if you want to export the created tickets, take your cursor to the top right corner, hit on the settings icon, wherein it will help you to export the entire records in 2 formats. One is Excel, another one is CSV. This export all pages, when you hit on it, it will export all the records. That is, it is a kind of bulk action that you can export all the records either in Excel or in the CSV. It will get downloaded into your downloads. There is one more thing, that is as summary. When you hit on this summary icon, it will help you to understand a brief summary on what are all the tickets have been opened, anything is in progress, answered, hold or closed. This is how you create and manage tickets in Dovyo CRM. If you have any further clarifications, please do contact our customer success specialist or an associate to get further deeper insights. Thank you.